How to repair your credit here in the United States of America. This is what today's video is about. Hello, my name is John and welcome.
USA MONDE.
Guys, let's go inside. It's too cold here. It's snowing. That's a bad idea.
Immigrants who want to rent an apartment, who want to buy cars, or who want to get approved for a credit card but have bad credit, always look for information about how to rebuild credit here in the United States of America. In this video, I will share with you experts information regarding how to repair your credit in the US. But first, in the US, the credit score range from 300 to 850. So this number tells the banks how risky you are. The higher the score, the more bank trusts you. There are three main credit bureaus: Expedite, Equifax, and TransUnion. They collect data about your loans, cars, and payments. One thing you have to know is that your credit score is based on five things: payment history, credit usage, age of your account, credit tab, and also new applications like if you apply for loan, you apply for credit card. If you miss payment or use too much of your credit limit, your score drops. But the good news is you can rebuild your credit fast here in the United States of America than a lot of people think. Most immigrants struggle with credit. It's just because they don't understand the system. As a newcomer, you don't have a credit score at all. You don't have any credit. Your credit is just as bad credit somebody who lives here for many years but has a bad credit. But understanding the system will help you. You may have money, a job, and savings, but if you have bad credit, lenders will say no if you apply for a loan or will charge you high interest. That's why it's very important to know how to rebuild your credit in case you have bad credit. Knowing how to rebuild your credit is powerful. Not only powerful, but it gives you control. So according to experts, here are the steps you need to take to rebuild your credit here in the United States of America. Before you fix anything, you have to know what is broken. Here in the United States of America, you are allowed one credit report every year from each bureau. When you get that report, look for any mistake or any old account or collections on the report that is not yours. Okay, pay attention to those because sometimes mistake can be made. They will put wrong information on your report and that will lower your score. Many people find the mistakes or wrong balances, accounts that are not theirs, late payment that never happened. Disputing those mistakes on your report can raise your credit very fast. This is one of the most ignored steps, but the important one. If your credit is weak or new, do not apply for many credit cards. Start with one of these, a secure credit card or a credit builder loan. I have a video about how to build your credit score fast. You can check it out. In that video, I talk about those secure card. A secure card basically is that you make a deposit. Okay, usually your deposit will become your limit. Let's say you deposit $300 at the bank. Then your $300 will become your limit. You cannot spend more than $300. So it seems useless, but this is one of the fastest way to build trust with the system. So you can use the secure card for small things like gas, groceries. So by using it correctly, you can see your credit score go up within 60 to 90 days if you use it well. Credit usage is one of the biggest factors when it comes to rebuilding your credit score. So let's say you have a credit card that has a limit of $500. Don't spend more than $150 on that card. Even if you make a payment on time, if you spend more than 30% of that card limit, it makes you look risky. Low usage tells lenders you are disciplined. This is a secret most people never learn. One late payment can destroy months of progress. So set up on automatic payment will help you not miss any payment. Even one missed payment can stay on your report for many years. You need to focus more on consistency than speed. Rebuilding your credit fast is not about tricks, it's about habits. Collections, charge-offs, old debt hurt your credit score the most. Some of them can be disputed, some of them can be negotiated. Many collection agencies or collectors will settle for less than the full amount that you owe. This is the reason why many people see changes in their credit score, like a positive change in their credit score, after cleaning up their reports. Every new application creates a hard inquiry. So hard inquiry is basically, an inquiry that touch your credit score, reduce your credit score a little bit. In the eyes of the lenders, the banks, too many inquiries make you look desperate. Apply only when needed. 2 or 3 good accounts are better than 10 bad ones. If you follow all these steps I just talked about according to expert, you will see your credit score jump or like increase within 3 to 6 months. Perfect credit takes longer, but good credit is very realistic. It is possible that your credit will go from 480 to 700 in under a year, not by luck, but by doing the right thing, by following the steps correctly, and also by understanding the system. If you live here in the United States of America, your credit affects almost everything you do here in the States. If you want to rent an apartment, they will check your credit score. If you want to buy a car, they will check your credit score. And then even jobs. So basically, your credit affects almost everything that you do here in the United States of America. In America, your credit score is your financial reputation. Rebuilding your credit here in the United States of America, in case you have a bad credit, is possible for everyone, but you have to start small and stay disciplined. Thanks for watching.